helicopters flying around right now. Since this RNC started, we've seen a lot of helicopters in the sky. These are the outer band clouds from the hurricane that's on the way. It's not going to come to Tampa, it's going to skim up the shoreline. You can see these outer band clouds racing by in a circular fashion. Not the normal cloud rotation here. Things usually move from west, which is that direction, to the east, which is that direction. These are circulating to the south, which is definitely the clouds from the outer banks of the hurricane. See the blue sky still on the horizon. Woke up with sun this morning, but that's been blotted out by these clouds quickly. To the east is much heavier clouds.